Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. So today I want to do a little bit of a wear test. I have in the new Tatcha liquid silk canvas. So I want to try this out, but I also want to compare it to my Tatcha regular silk canvas, the Balm. So I was thinking I'm going to do like a half and half and see how they wear throughout the day and see which one I like better, if either of them, or if they're just pretty much the same thing, just one of them's in a pump form, one of them's in a balm form. So I'm going to test them out today and see which one I like the best, if any. So if you're down for that, then stick around and we'll just go ahead and jump into the video, alright? It doesn't say to shake it, but I'm going to anyways, just because I'm scared if I don't, it might not be mixed properly or something. So I'm going to do this side of my face with the Tatcha liquid canvas and this side of my face with the Tatcha balm silk canvas. So it feels really good going onto the skin. It feels a lot smoother than the balm. The balm feels a little bit, not greasy, but just slick, whereas this just kind of soaks into the skin. And this is the balm just going on. So now that we've got a nice, pretty smooth canvas going on, I'm going to go ahead and apply some foundation, something that I know is going to work well with my skin. I'm not going to play around with foundations today. So let's see. What do I want to use? I'm just going to use the It Cosmetics CC Cream, the original one in the shade Fair. I've always liked the way the It Cosmetics CC Cream smells. For some reason it smells really good to me. Maybe it's just the sunscreen in it. I can't really tell. But it just smells really fresh to me. Maybe I'm just a weirdo. Probably that. I have got to get some more beauty blenders. I hoard brushes like no one else just because I don't want to wash them. So I figure I should do the same thing for beauty blenders since I've kind of switched to that lately. Need to go pick some more up. Okay, for concealer, I'm just going to be using my Urban Decay Naked Skin. I'm kind of trying to use this up just because it's discontinued now and I don't really know what to do with it. So I'm just trying to use it up. And I know it works well, so I figure I'm not taking any chances with trying something new today. So these little sponges, this is the Morphe Jeffree Star sponge, but just the little sponges in general, who makes them? Because I need to buy more of those as well. Does Real Techniques make some little sponges like that? Or do I have to keep making the trek to Ulta or Sephora to buy these little sponges? Because Fenty makes them too. But they're $16 for two of them. So I was just kind of hoping for a cheaper option. So I'm going to set everything using my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop setting powder. And this is really annoying because I can't get this little black thing out of here and I can't use the lid to dump it in because it's got this stupid little circle thing there. So I've just been using this little Fenty tray from the Gloss Bomb set during Christmas and just dumping my powder in that. And then just picking that up with a brush. So I'm going to pick that up using my Jeffree Star powder brush. It's the JS number 2. I feel like I need to fix my eyeshadow too. Like it's just not deep enough. I want something more bold for today. I mean, it's pretty, but just not what I'm looking for. Okay, I'm going to melt that into my face using my new Fenty What It Do Refreshing Spray. Oh, I love the mister on that. It is absolutely amazing. Amazing. I love it. I'm just going to add a little bit more brown to my eyes just to kind of deepen everything up a little bit. Okay, I'm going to grab some bronzer real quick. Oh wait, no, let's do brows. I'm going to go ahead and hop off camera and do brows real quick and then I'll be right back with you guys. So this is a really nice cool toned bronzer. Really good for fair skin like mine. So I've recently got into this new YouTube channel. I mostly just watch makeup videos for the most part, but I got into this new one called First We Feast, and it's just where they sit there and eat hot wings and like celebrities come on there and they ask each other they ask the celebrities questions, and it's just a really fun show. And I was watching the one with Zoe Kravitz right before I got on here, and that was just interesting. They were like going through old Instagram photos of her and she was explaining her outfits and things like that. It was just, it's a good time. We're gonna do a little bit down the nose. Okay, for blush, I want to use something new. This is the brand new Benefit Georgia blush, and she looks like this. So she's nice and peachy. It's a really sheer blush, like super duper sheer. I'm not even sure if you're gonna be able to see the swatch on my hand. No, you can't even see it. That's how sheer it is. So we're just gonna play with this blush today and see how we like it alone. We might have to layer it with something. Actually, I think that's really pretty. Because your girl doesn't like too much blush anyways, unless it's like a pink blush, then I'm like going ham with it. But this is pretty. This is nice and subtle. This is kind of what I like. Yeah, I think that turned out really well, actually. I'm pretty surprised by that, just because I swatched it and I was like, oh no, this is not going to be good. I'm not going to like this. But I do like it. It is pretty. So next we have, this is a new product as well. This is from Too Faced. This is the Turn Up the Light palette in the shade Light, which they have it in 4 different shades. They have light, I think, light, medium, tan, and deep. That's right. This is what it looks like on the inside. I'm going to be focusing on these 2 outer shades right here. I think I'm going to mix them together and use that as my highlight. This middle one is just a brightening powder, so I'll probably use that never. But I like these 2 shades right here, so we'll try those today. I'm going to do that using my Jeffree Star JS number 3. So I'm just going to first add the subtle highlight. Okay, now I'm going to step into the more glittery one, this one right here, which is called Dazzle. There we go. So how do we feel about that highlight, you guys? It's pretty. I like it. So far, so good anyways. I don't have any new lip products or mascara, but I do have a new setting spray. This is the Morphe Continuous Matte Setting Spray. So I'm going to try this out today. Okay, now we need a lip color because we're looking a little dead over here. So, I think I shall use a nude. I think I'm going to do... Did this just break? This just broke. Oh my god! My Huda Beauty lipstick just fell apart. Look at it. Just came right out of there. That's lovely. Love that. But this is in the shade Joyride. There we go. Now we don't look so dead. So let's do some mascara and some lashes, and then I'll be right back with you guys, okay? Okay, so lashes are on. This is the finished look. Excuse my hair, by the way. I just washed it earlier today, and it takes forever and 10 years for dreadlocks to dry, so they're just doing their own thing. Excuse that. Sorry about that. But anyways, this is the finished look. What do you guys think? I think they look exactly the same. There is no difference whatsoever to me. I find that this side wanted to peel up a little bit more than this side. This side didn't want to peel up at all, but this side wanted to peel up just a little bit, like my foundation putting it on. Maybe it's just because I use a little bit too much of this. That sometimes happens, but didn't happen at all with this one. So no worries there with this one. So I personally, I think I'm going to like this one a little better just because it's a little bit more sanitary. It comes in a pump It's a little bit more hydrating, not as slick feeling on the skin. So I think I like this one better overall, but as a whole, they both do the same thing. My skin looks exactly the same on both sides, so I can't say one way or the other if this one is really better. I just feel like I like it better. So that is my opinion on the Tatcha Silk Canvas. I hope that you guys really enjoyed this video, enjoyed going through some new products with me, trying out the Silk Canvas or the liquid Silk Canvas. So if you liked my video, then go ahead and give me a thumbs up. You know, I greatly appreciate that. And if you like it and you want to see more of me, then hit the subscribe button. That's down there somewhere. So thanks for hanging out with me today. Hopefully I'll see a lot more of you and you'll be seeing a lot more of me very soon, all right? I love you guys. Peace out.